So what happens if listeners today are like, I think my claims are getting paid on the first go around. I don't know. Like, why wouldn't it be paid on the first go around? Tell them, educate them a little bit on that.
Um, Wrong ID numbers, improper usage of codes, attachments missing, notes aren't clear, narratives are missing, all of the details that go into getting it paid the first time by someone. And let's be honest, these people are sitting at a desk reviewing this information that you sent over. So you either sent it all or you didn't, and or it's accurate or it's not. It's one small thing can make a $3,000 claim just sit there. And it feels like insurances are less willing to tell you, hey, this is being denied for this reason, right? It seems like there's a lot of runaround of figuring out the why it wasn't really paid.